Teacher is back today with the same topic, and the topic is flowers. Today we are going to draw flowers that have many petals and few petals. So for this, which book do you have to remove? Yes, you are right. When we draw, we have to remove our drawing books. So now go to your bags, remove your drawing books, your pencil and your eraser, and come back to your place and sit. So kids, let's start the game. You have to go to your bag, remove your drawing books, pencil and eraser, and come fast and sit in front of the screen. So teacher is going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I hope everyone has come back to their place and they are sitting in front of the screen. Okay, so now let's start drawing. But before we start drawing, we have to write the date and the heading. So now let's write the date. So the date is 7-8-20. And the heading will be flowers. F L O W E R S. Flowers. After you write the heading, what you have to do is you have to draw a line in the middle like this. Okay. Now after you draw this line in the center, this side you will write many petals. M A N Y. Many petals. P E T A L S. Many petals. And few, F E W. Few petals. E T A L S. Like this heading you will give after you draw the line in the middle. Now this side we will draw the flowers that have many petals. Okay, so before we start drawing, teacher is going to tell you the flowers that have many petals. So the flowers that have many petals are rose, sunflower, lotus, tulip and marigold. So let's start drawing. Let's draw the lotus first. Draw the petal like this, and over here you join. Okay, and then you draw another petal. Next to the bigger petal, draw a smaller petal. Then draw one more same petal this side. Like this. Then you draw one more petal this side. And draw one more petal this side. Like this. Okay, and then below this petal, draw one small petal. Like this. Okay, and then draw one more petal here and one more petal here. Ulta petal you have to draw. Like this and like this. Then you draw the stem of the lotus. Like this. And then you draw the big leaves. This is a lotus. What is this? Lotus. Now let's draw the rose. You can draw the simple rose, the one that teacher has shown you. oval, round and round. Draw a U down. Draw a stem and the leaf. Rose. Next, let's draw the marigold. Come on. Draw a small circle and draw the jump pattern. Jump. Keep jumping. Okay. Then you draw the stem. And draw the leaf. This is marigold. Now we will draw the tulip. You have to write a U like this. Then from the middle you draw one standing line, small standing line. Then from this corner join the line here and this corner join the line here. Okay, you finish this? Then you draw a small mountain like this in the middle. Then over here also one small mountain and over here also one small mountain. Then over here in the middle draw a standing line, two standing lines and the leaf. Tulip's leaf will be from down, from here. Go up, long leaves and come down. Then again from here long leaves and come down. This is a tulip. Okay kids, now let's draw the sunflower. Circle, sleeping lines, standing lines. Now let's draw the petal. One petal you will draw here, one here and one here. Come on, let's draw one petal here, one petal here, one petal here and one petal here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then between these two petals you will draw one petal. Between these two petals draw one more petal. Between these two petals draw one more petal. And between these two petals draw one more petal. Now between these two petals you draw one petal like this. And then between these two petals you draw one petal like this. Between these two petals draw one more petal. 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 And between these two petals draw one more petal and one last petal. This is a sunflower. Let's draw the stem of the sunflower. And let's draw the leaves. Which flower is this? Sunflower. Now teacher is going to start drawing flowers that have few petals. But before that, teacher is going to tell you the names of the flowers that have few petals. So the flowers are Shufla, Lily, Periwinkle, Plumeria alba, which is known as Champa, and Jasmine, which is known as Mogra. Now let's start drawing Shufla, which is also called as hibiscus. Come on, draw. One line here, down, side. Now draw the zigzag pattern on top like this. Then you draw the stem. Draw the leaves. And let's draw the stigma from the center. Go up, down. Then again from the center go up and down. This is a shoe flower. What is this? Shoe flower. Now let's draw mogra. Mogra means jasmine. Come on, draw a circle like this. Then inside you write U, 4 times U, U and U like this. Then you draw the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you draw these 4 petals, then you again draw petals here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then over here down, you draw the stem like this. And then from here, you go up like this and come down like this again and join the stem. Over here you draw one bud and one leaf. Then over here you draw one leaf for the mogra. Draw one leaf over here. So this is jasmine. This is the flower and this is the bud. Jasmine is also called as mogra. Shoe flower, also called as hibiscus. Now we will draw the third flower, that is champa. Now see how you are going to draw the champa. From here, you draw the petal, go up like this and come down like this. Okay. Then from here, again you go up, stop and join. Then again from here, up, go down like this and join. Then over here, small mountain, over here, small mountain. Over here you draw a circle like this and then from here you draw the stem of the champa. This is champa. Now let's draw the leaves. This is champa. Champa is also called as Plumeria alba. Shufla, jasmine and Plumeria alba. Now we will draw the periwinkle. You draw a small circle like this in the middle, like this, and then you draw one slanting line here and one slanting line here, like this. Then you draw one slanting line down, one slanting line again. Over here draw slanting line and one slanting line here and one slanting line here and one slanting line here. Okay, and then you have to join the slanting lines. Just one jump. So this is periwinkle. Which flower? Periwinkle. This is a periwinkle. Which flower? Periwinkle. The last flower that we are going to draw is lily. Now let's draw the center of the lily first. Draw a small circle. Then on the top, you draw one petal like this. Then here down, you draw one petal like this. And then over here, you draw one petal like this. Next, you have to draw one petal like this. And one petal like this. And one petal like this. Then You draw dots here. These are the stigmas. And you join it in the center. And then let's draw the stem. And then the leaves. This is lily. Now let's revise flowers that have many petals. We have lotus, rose, marigold, tulip and sunflower that have many petals. In few petals we have shufla, jasmine, plumeria alba, periwinkle and lily. So these are the flowers that have many petals and few petals. I want you to practice drawing these flowers. As for your next evaluation, I will be asking you questions based on these flowers. So for now kids, practice